Hello, and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. Today I went down to Dairy Queen and I got myself the Jurassic Smash Blizzard. And I got a small, which costs $3.99. And this Jurassic Smash Blizzard is awesome. It's vanilla ice cream with peanut butter cookie crumbled into it with chocolate chip wall cookie dough in it. It has actual peanut butter spread inside the ice cream too. And it also has like chocolate chunk pieces inside this Blizzard too. And everything just goes together really well, really peanut buttery. And just love it. The peanut butter cookie mixed with the regular peanut butter and the chocolate and the wall cookie dough, just awesome. So I really recommend you give this a try while they still have it. So overall, on the food taste scale, overall, I would have to give the Jurassic Smash Blizzard from Dairy Queen a 9 out of 10. Definitely recommend you give this a try. Very, very good, especially if you love peanut butter. Anyways, this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.